other options are there? I mean, isn't there an option of, without, with a lack of better words, folding space-time and generating enough power where you can move from one point to another point almost instantaneously?
Yeah, there are two ways to do that. First of all, in 1935, Einstein, with his student Einstein-Rosen, wrote a paper about wormholes. So a black hole is like a funnel. Take two funnels, stick them back to back, nose to nose. That is a wormhole that connects one funnel universe to another funnel universe. So I have two universes connected by a gateway, which is called the Einstein-Rosen bridge, otherwise known as a wormhole. That's one way to do it. The second way to do it was done by Michael Bier, a friend of mine, who was watching Star Trek one day and noticed how the Enterprise zapped across space by contracting the space in front of you and expanding the space behind you so that you do not go to the stars come to you. So think of walking across a carpet. You can walk across the carpet, which is the long way, or you can contract and compress the carpet in front of you, expand the carpet behind you, and then simply hop over to the other side of the carpet. That is called the Alcubierre drive. Now, then the next question is, what's the catch? There's always a catch someplace, right? Otherwise, we'd be zapping across the universe today. And that is energy. You would probably have to have energy comparable to that of a black hole. In other words, a Type 3 civilization would have the power, perhaps, to utilize wormholes or compressed space to go across galactic distances. This, of course, is science fiction, but it's well within the known laws of physics that wormholes and Alcubierre drives that are possible within the laws of physics.